What's up guys, I'm 𝔼𝕣𝕠𝕕𝕦𝕔𝕥𝕤. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out some new makeup products, some that I recently bought and then some that I bought a little while ago but I've been waiting just to use on the channel. So if you guys would like to see the new items that I picked up and how they perform, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is a new primer. It's called the e.l.f. Good Vibes Only Soft Velvet Matte Primer. Okay, so this product recently released with like a new collection by e.l.f. If you know anything about e.l.f. and their releases, especially their primer releases, sometimes I feel like they just like to try out things with a collection, and if it does really well and it gets the girls going, they're added to their lineup. So once I saw this, I just knew I had to try. Lately their primers have been more of like a gripping primer type of situation, but this one's supposed to be a soft velvet matte. So let's see what this feels like. So far it's looking silicone-y. It says that it's infused with sunflower seed oil. It blurs pores for a poreless canvas and features a scent of amber. Okay, it has dimethicone in it. I'm not sure if that's a type of silicone, but I feel like it is. It got silica. Yes, I think this is a silicone based product. And I do smell the amber. I love amber scented products. It's one of my favorites. It smells like a citrus and amber kind of fragrance, and it's definitely doing what silicone primers normally do. Blurs out the skin, makes it look like you don't have any pores. It's very soft. It's very soft. I really love that fragrance. Like if they came out with a lotion in that, I would be all over it. Okay, so we are trying out a new foundation. It's the NYX Bare With Me Blur. I got it in the shade Nutmeg. Okay, so back when I bought the Juvia's Place foundation, I bought this foundation, the Juvia's Place, and the new reformulated Revlon foundation, but the shade I got was too light, so I probably won't be reviewing that. It looks like it'll be the right shade. Also, we'll be trying some new brushes. These brushes are from Lauralee Los Angeles. I'm gonna try to do my whole face today solely using these brushes. If you've ever tried brushes from Lunar Beauty, I feel like I don't know if they have the same manufacturer, but the brushes are so amazing. Super soft. Okay, so this is already a blurring foundation, so with the primer that I use with this on top of it, it's like, where is the pores? Super blurring. I was just about to return this without even trying it. I don't know, I just felt like I had way too many foundations, but that looks really good. Really good. And I also like the brush. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Very blurring. It's supposed to be like a tint, so it does says it's a blurring tint foundation. The coverage isn't insane, but I think it's like up to par with like with any other like tint that's been coming out lately. It's just giving the blur and it's pretty matte, so I think it would probably be good for oily skin. And the color is a pretty good match too. I thought it was going to be a little bit too red, but I didn't think I had a new bronzer to try out, but we have the e.l.f. Luminous Putty bronzer, and we have it in the shade, I don't know, I'll leave the shade down below. For some reason there isn't a sticker on here. I'm gonna use this brush right here. Oh, that's a lot warmer than I thought it was gonna be. I don't have a new concealer for you guys, so I'm just going to be using my Kosas concealer. Like, I haven't used a blurring foundation in a very long time. I'm kind of used to just having my foundations look like super glowy, so it's kind of like tripping me out how blurred my skin looks. e.l.f. released these camo color correctors, and I really wanted to use these with today. I thought the foundation would be off, but it actually wasn't. If you're a neutral tone girl like me, sometimes foundations might pull a little too orange, so you combat it with this and it kind of neutralizes the shade. So I really wanted to try it, but maybe in another video. Probably try it on Instagram maybe. And then orange to like color correct any hyperpigmentation. Maybe I'll mix it with my concealer, just like a dot under the eye, like right in here. I actually saw a Instagram trick where you mix your concealer, a color corrector, and you dip your brush in powder while you blend it out. We're gonna try it today. Let's see if I have a brush to do that with. Okay, we're gonna try this brush to blend it. I forgot that I have new sponges. If you ever tried like the traditional e.l.f. camo sponge, or even the sponge that looks like this, I think it's usually purple. You could get a whole set of 3 for I think like $14. I really love the camo sponge. Sometime last year they dropped a sponge like this. It was blue, or was it purple, and it was limited edition. It came in like a set of brushes, and I picked up the brush set just for this sponge, and I loved it because it's in the shape of a triangle, and it could get like in all the little nooks and crannies that you needed to get into. Like I have like a scar. These brushes are so soft, you guys. Like, I'm in love. Okay, so let's blend this. I totally forgot to mix it with the powder, but I think the color corrector blended nicely with the concealer. Okay, so I probably have to try that technique out again, but I don't really care for how it looks under my eyes right now. Yeah, I don't think that one was for me, or maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I don't like how it looks. Got some new puff. You could get these on Amazon. They're already linked in my Amazon shop if you guys are looking for them, but they're very inexpensive. And they make a huge difference when it comes to like doing your makeup. I think it just sets everything a lot better and evenly. Like once you work in layers when it comes to your makeup, even layers, it just makes everything come out a lot better. Let's see, the moment of truth is when I put concealer on here and see if it actually hides it a little. I'm gonna let the concealer set. Okay, this is the Whimsical Nudes palette by Laura Los Angeles. Like, I bought this palette when it dropped during the holidays, and I just had to have it. Like, I love a good nude palette, and this one had the greens. You guys know I love greens, and the perfect nude shades. I think it's a good palette to travel with. I am going back to Orlando in March, like the ending of March, and spend some time with my sister. I love going to Orlando with my sister. My little sister lives in Orlando, and when I'm there we just have so much fun. We mostly chill, but you know, we do sister things like shopping and going out to eat, and it's just me and her and my dog, and I promise you it's like the best times. Last time I went, I tried to vlog, but I never came around to editing and posting it. I think I recently deleted the footage, and the footage is probably like a year old now, so I just said forget it. But this time around I'm gonna try. I mean, it made a little difference, but this time around I'm going to try to vlog, because I don't know, I think I'm pretty boring. Like, I have fun, but I'm very camera shy, so like the camera will come on and my personality would disappear. I don't know, I'm just pretty chill, so I would literally have to find things to do to record. Okay, so we're gonna be using this shade right here, but yeah, I'm gonna try to force myself to make a vlog while I'm there. But at least I want to be there for a month. Like, I just love when I'm there. My sister's also going on the journey of being a content creator. She doesn't really take it that serious, but she's really good at it. She has a TikTok, so like when I'm in Orlando, we kind of do that together. That's not really the main focus of the trip. It's really just to chill and spend time. but I can't wait. Like, I always want to dip in the greens. Let's try Winter Fern mixed with the brown shade. Gonna add a little bit of the black. Like, I go pretty light-handed with eyeshadows because I'm scared. Like, once you do the most, it's kind of hard to come back from that. So I always take the light, soft approach when it comes to eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with Bronze Meadow. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow, that is gorgeous. Like, if you have the Makeup by Ariel brush collection, I can't even show it to you because I just washed my brushes and not in front of me. I feel like this brush set is very comparable. Like, my favorite brush from the Ariel collection looks exactly like this, and I like to use it for like liner or getting into like really hard to get places around the eye. This is like my favorite type of brush. Stunning palette. I think I'm definitely packing this palette to go to Orlando and something fun, even though I probably won't use it. Oh, I'm gonna pack this and my Cool Tone palette from ColourPop, and then I should be set. I was just thinking, like, do we have a new mascara to try? And we actually do. Have you guys been seeing all the drama on TikTok with Mascara Gate? Like, it's been absolutely insane. What's your take on that? I mean, personally, for me, I would think that you would want a person who's sitting down in front of you telling you the truth about how they actually feel about a product, even though it looked like the mascara is actually good. Because, not for nothing, when I saw how it looked before she put on the lashes, I was like, oh, that looks like a good mascara. I mean, L'Oreal makes amazing mascaras, period, but I don't know. She probably didn't have to take it that far. Like, imagine if back in the days Jackie did a review and they found out that she was using falsies. Imagine how that would have been. Okay, so we actually do have a new mascara. This one's by Milani. So this is the new Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions mascara. But let's see. I don't even know if you guys will see it because of how dark my eyeshadow is, but let's give it a try. Looks good so far. I'm gonna just do one at a time so you guys could actually see it. Let it dry. Wow. And I didn't even curl my lashes. Like, look at that. Compared to this side, that looks really good. Kind of makes me not want to wear lashes, actually. And I love really nice bottom lashes. Like, if anything, I don't really care about the top part because I'm gonna wear falsies, but the bottom lash, I live for that. For lashes, we're gonna try the Naked Drama Kiss Lashes in Ruffle. After wearing mink lashes, I never thought I would like drugstore lashes again, and I was wrong. Drugstore lashes have really changed over the years. The only thing I don't like about these lashes is the lash bands. Like, with mink lashes, the lash band is pretty thick and it like automatically curves to your lash. Like, these, once you rip them off the plastic, they just become straight. So that means you gotta work extra hard to like line them up, at least for me. Okay, now with the lashes on, it's time to bring some life back into my face with some blush. I think these might be coming out February 7th or 8th. Like, they're not even out yet. So thank you, Danessa Myricks, for sending them to me. So this is Bellini, Prima Donna, and Dancing Queen. I low-key want to do Dancing Queen, even though I feel like when you do like green eyeshadows, orange blush is usually the way to go, but I'm gonna do purple. Okay. It's pigmented. Oh, I don't know why I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented. This little thing is gonna last you forever. Like, I barely put my brush in there. Like if you've been seeing the trend of like putting on purple blush on brown skin, try it. You definitely should try it. So pretty. It doesn't accentuate any pores, bumps, or anything. It's more of like a blurring blush. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Revlon Super Lustrous in the shade Toasting Glass. These have been going super viral. I actually bought this before it started to go viral, and I bought it on Amazon for like $4 to $5, and now if you could find it on Amazon, it's like $14, which is absolutely insane. Makeup by Mario has something similar, but that one's $20. If you could get your hands on this one, I feel like it's very comparable. We're gonna be topping it with this new gloss from Fenty. This one came out with, you know, the Fenty like Super Bowl stuff, and it's in the shade RiRi, and it's like a nice pinky brown nude gloss. You guys know how I feel about Fenty glosses, so I just had to have it. Oh my god, this look is so cute. And I think it's because of the blush. Like I just want to put blush all over because it's just so cute and pink. Okay guys, this is the final look and I'm in love. It's definitely the blush that's like giving me all of the vibes. Like look how pretty this is. I loved everything that I tried out today. I just have to get used to looking at matte blurred skin again. Like I've been in like my glowy satin bag, and I'm just not used to my skin looking matte, like velvet matte, but it looks beautiful. It looks so good. It's $14 on Ulta, which is reasonable. I feel like drugstore foundation prices are definitely rising. I remember when they were under $10, but yeah, I like it. It looks good. Good color match. I don't see any places that like it clung onto my skin or patches that just didn't blend right. If you guys saw my Juvia's Place foundation review, you guys saw how that went. The Fenty gloss is definitely giving. Let me show you guys, just swatching it alone. It's not like an opaque gloss. It's more of like a, it's just gonna give you like a hint. It's really pretty, and it has like shimmer in it. So that wraps up today's video, guys. Let me know down below if you're gonna be picking up any of these new products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on today's video if you enjoy videos like this, and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.